Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from Arty Crafty. CBSE has recently published the sample question paper for the subject graphic having code number 050 for the academic session 2020 and 21 along with its marking scheme. Today I am here for you to solve the sample question paper step by step. So let's start. Time allowed 2 hours and maximum mark is 30. Questions are grouped into 5 sections. Section A consists of 6 questions and you have to answer true or false. Each question carries 1 mark. Section B comprises 3 questions and you have to answer any one from each part of the question in 30 words. Each question carries 2 marks. There are 3 questions in section C. You have to answer any 2 of the selected artwork from each part in 100 words and each question carries 3 marks. In section D, you have to answer any one from the 3 questions in 200 words. It carries 6 marks. In section E, you have to write the main characteristic features of Mughal miniature school in 200 words. It also carries 6 marks. Now I am going to answer all the questions one by one. You can download the PDF file of the question along with answers by clicking the links at the description. Also, you can watch all the videos on theory at my YouTube channel for the detailed study. So, here are the answers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if there is any query or doubt, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.